Napaliputan ako ng malalaking building, oh. Oh. Toronto. 60 natin. Ayan, oh. Lalaki ng building, guys. Oh. Ito ang tunay. Toronto City. Napang ko rin si Superman. Ayun pala dyan. Nag-aamoy kalapati niyo. Hi, man. Toronto. Wow. Great Lake Water Trail. Yo, lakad-lakad lang sa Puriman. Nice. Naglalakad lang ang mga tao dito. It's my dog, oh. I like the dog. Pero kami ng ticket. Lakad-lakad lang kami. Ikot natin para makita natin yung mga naglalakad. Yan, ha. Sa Puriman, oh. Naglalakad, oh. Enjoy sa Puriman. Kami ni Iman, oh. Mamamasyal kami dyan. Magtutor kami. Pasyal din kami dito sa Toronto. Harbor Square. Yan, oh. Ay. Gat nga ito nga building nga ito yun niyo. Makalula dyan. Tasa. Ganda dito, oh. Ayun, yung City Cross, oh. Ito malaki pa to, oh. Yan, oh. Ayun, si Puriman, kamatin tayo, batin ako. Ito pala yung pilihan ng ticket, oh. Yan. Pipila kami. Lakad-lakad lang kami. Lakad mini Puriman, ah.
Kasi kung 12
Ha?
dadalhin ka sa Toronto Island.
Oo. Dito bibili ng ticket si Puriman, oh. Yan. Yeah, let's go to the boat. Yan, sasakay kami rito. Ferry. Let's go to the boat. Ayan. Yun. Hi. Come board, Puriman. Yeah. Go upstairs, Iman. Yes, let's go up. Up. Yan, nakasakay kami ni Iman dito sa cross, oh. Ang ganda ng dagat, oh. Hi, Iman. Hi, Puriman. Kagat, pirate ship. Yan, oh. Sarap ng breezy. Right, Iman? A pirate ship. Wow.
It included office spaces and a cold storage warehouse facility. In fact, the cold storage here used to get plant. You would also find a misty park up there. As you can see. A lot of people enjoy and have fun.
Yan, ha. Sarap mag-cruise. Nakaka-relax.
Well, coming up next, you would now find a bridge at the harbour front. This is
Yan, ha.
the most
Toronto City.
And we worship Wim Hof, the mayor of Amsterdam, during his official tour.
First time, Iman?
On June.
Hindi, nag-click minawang ka pala si Iman, eh.
It's quite interesting to know.
So, not the first time, right?
To visit Amsterdam City in the future, which is in the country of Netherlands.
360 natin yung ng Toronto City, oh. Yung lake. Yan, oh. Yun! Diyan kami pupunta ni Iman, oh. Oh. Mamaya sa may CN Tower. Nice. Ayos. Ang dami din nagkuha, no? G60, oh. Oh. Sarap lang mag-van ride. Hi, Ivan. Oh, may dalawang boat na parating, oh. Yan, oh. Ang daming nagsi-city cross pala rito. Ayan, oh. Oh. Nice. Ayos. Ayos ang city cross ni Superiman. Ayan. Yup! Superiman.
Well, coming up next, if you notice in this garden guys, you might now notice another feature.
Ito yung lake guys, oh. Ang airport pala nasa gilid lang nito. Yan makikita natin. Lapit na. Papasilip natin yun. Yun! Ayan, oh. Yan yung airport, oh. Guys, oh. Yan, nilipad na yung aeroplano, oh. Airport pala ang likod nito. Konti lang tao sa baba. Doon sa taas ang marami. Yan, Superiman. Ayos ba, Superiman? Yun, lumipad na. Ayan, oh. Fly, fly, fly. Sarap lang, Ivan. How's my boy? Ha?
I'm gonna sit here like just do nothing, just
Yun, may nagkakayak, oh. Oh. Oh.
I was boat.
The small one there. Wow, beautiful place. Dito kitang-kita yung ganda ng city ng Toronto, oh. Yan, oh. Nice.